Lights, camera, action.
Hello and good evening. My name is Mohish Jain. Welcome to Showreel Talkies produced by Showreel Media. Our gifting partners are Picasso Perry Pens, Gift Zone, Pastel and Pastels, and Century Optics. Our tonight's guest is a fashion influencer, a model, a fashion stylist, dancer, and what all. She has collaborated with amazing brands like Apple, Plum, Sugar Cosmetics, Brand Candy, and Kurkure. Presenting to you, Shreya Srivastava.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Meeting you.
Yeah.
So let's quickly start with the interview. My first question is that first of all you're multi-talented, right? You are a makeup stylist, you are a dancer, you are a fashion stylist, but you could have become an actor also.
So, Shreya, why did you choose to become an Instagram influencer?
Like I always wanted to be an influencer. I had that in my mind that I want to do influencing, blogging and stuff. So acting, I was like, I used to feel कि मैं अच्छी हूँ कि नहीं. Yeah, in future if I get opportunities, I'm going to go for it as well. But for now, I'm going to do this.
So I can say you're professionally Instagram influencer.
Yeah.
And you have learned makeup and fashion, or have you studied somewhere, or it was just like, hey, yaar,
No, I've never like studied or done anything. It was just like my own interest, watching videos and searching about it, getting into depth. Like whatever you are interested in, you just do a lot of research how to do it properly. So yeah, that's how my interest started in all of these things.
Okay, that's wonderful. So my, how did it all start? I mean, when did you decide to be a fashion influencer or a model or Instagram influencer? How did it start?
Okay, so since like really long, I had that in my mind that I do want to start, but I was not getting that push off that thing. So my friends used to motivate me like you should do it. I'm like they like my dressing sense, and my parents, I had really good support of them.
Supportive parents. you can
Supportive parents in modeling and acting, everything. They are like really supportive about it. So yeah, that kind of gave me motivation. And of course lockdown happened and I'm like, instead of sitting idle, let's do some home shoots. And that's how it started. I started doing home shoots, uploading it, then audience started liking it. I gained a couple of good followers, like thousands of followers. Then I'm like, then reel feature was not there that time.
say. This is where are we talking from?
It's like been 1.5 years
One
when
and a half
COVID
years, yeah,
started.
yeah.
So reel feature was not there. So I used to just, focus on post on Instagram, and pictures used to get viral. So it gave me more inspiration. Like, okay, now people are liking it. So I made that in mind that people like such type of content. So I keep on go with the flow thing. Yeah.
So 1.5 years back, you started influencing on Instagram when the reel trend came. So before that, were you on other social media apps like TikTok, Facebook?
No, like whenever I thought to make a TikTok video, like when I actually thought like I'm going to make TikTok from now on, it got banned. So
TikTok, it's your
Yeah.
mistake.
like my video was getting viral, it got banned, and I'm like, okay, TikTok doesn't want me to make videos on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so coming back to Instagram again, you started in lockdown, right? 1.5 years back.
Yeah.
So what was that one kickstart, that one video where you thought, okay, no yaar, I mean, okay, I'm ready and I'll upload this.
So my first reel video was a TikTok video. It was TKN. It was trending, and that was my first dance video.
Acha.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, I did had like a lot of people are going to watch. So how are they going to like it? You have that in mind. So you need to be really careful. Like you love the video, and then you can also think that your audience also would like it. So yeah, thoda tha mere dimag mein. But yeah, anyway, I had to post it. Yeah.
So you wanted to,
I really wanted it.
and you were prepared for that. Anything, negative, positive, anything.
Yeah. Because of course, if I choose to be famous, I know negative and positive things both are going to come together.
So while throughout this process of you becoming an influencer and you trying out new things, what challenges you faced? Because nowadays there are a lot of people, there are a lot of models and lot of girls, boys, men, women. Everyone is trying to, they want to get famous or through via social media.
Yeah.
So what are those challenges that you, as an individual, as Shreya Srivastava, faced when you became, when you had to come at that level?
Yeah. So I just see that there are like, whenever you watch reels and all, like me being a content creator, I always watch reels to make new content rather than just binge watching.
हाँ.
So मैं देखती थी कि कितने talented लोग हैं, काफी लगता था कि tough competition है, like people are like trending sounds, so people are making super good videos on that, like creative. So मैंने देखा कि actual में बहुत मेहनत लगता है एक वीडियो में.
हाँ.
So ये था कि that thing I have to always keep in mind कि जो भी वीडियो बना रही हूँ उसमें मेहनत लगेगी. So competition tough तो है of course. और
But उस बात का डर नहीं है.
उस बात का मुझे डर नहीं है. Like I have to focus on my content, which should be the best, rather than thinking that this is my competitor. Like ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I really like everyone growing.
You want your friends and your competitors also grow with you.
Yeah, like I don't have a competitor basically.
हाँ.
So I just want everyone to grow and same like
मतलब
even friends.
आओ मैं भी बढ़ रही हूँ तुम भी आ जाओ साथ में एम्पायर खड़ा करते.
हाँ मतलब ऐसा कुछ competition नहीं, but I know कि काफी accept करना कि मुझसे भी काफी talented लोग हैं, creative लोग हैं.
हाँ.
So yeah, that's on.
With that you've accepted the fact. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
So have you ever
But
tried?
I want to improve myself every day.
Day by day you have to improve. So do you note down things? How is the procedure of Shreya Srivastava to make a video?
I don't note down for making videos, creating videos, but I do save what I like. I save the audios. I make sure that if I shooting dance video, I keep the dance prepared. Yeah.
So
just don't do it on the spot.
Okay,
I have
yeah.
things organized पहले से. I have that idea in my mind कि हाँ कल मैं ये video shoot कर सकती हूँ. So I keep thinking कि कैसे क्या creative ways में. One day before.
So Shreya, coming back to audience and comments, obviously there are good comments and there are bad comments, and you must be getting DMs also that ma'am you're really beautiful. But what about those cheap comments?
I just ignore it because it comes in a group. Like there are a lot of people, so you cannot shut every people. You just have to ignore it. But yeah, sometimes those comments hurt as well. But right now it doesn't affect me because I know there are people who think good about me, and I think about a positive side rather than focusing on the negative comments. I focus on the positive comments. But yeah, like people, in India, being an Indian girl, they judge me on my clothes, go wear this and that. So yeah, I've got comments on the dressing thing and all, but they cannot change my lifestyle the way I look. Like I'll do whatever I want, and
no,
I know
you
people,
can change their mindset.
Yeah, I can't change their mindset exactly. So yeah, I just ignore it. That is the best thing.
That's the only resort.
If you entertain, if you reply, they just want that. They want your attention, and those accounts are like non-verified, fake accounts. So
Shreya, did you ever come across any Instagram fan moment?
So there are few fans who actually comment on my pictures regularly, and I do notice them because sometimes they think that I don't notice them, and I have replied to one of the fan and he was really happy. He said that you made my day and everything, and that really made me feel good. So even I was happy at the same time.
So coming back to social media, while you were in that process of getting famous and becoming an influencer, who was that one supportive person in your life that supported you throughout and still he or she is?
It was not just one, but yeah, my parents were really supportive. My close one, my best friends, they were really supportive about it. And yeah, I was really grateful to have such kind of a support from my friends and family. So yeah, everyone was supportive around me.
No one was that ke yaar tu mat kar aisa, demotivating. No one was like that.
Yeah, like relatives, yeah, kind of, they don't let her go for modeling and all. You know how those field is, and I'm like, first of all, I'm not going into modeling, I'm an influencer, but it's okay, they mistaken it. But I've also done modeling, but nothing is wrong with anything. You should do whatever you like. So yeah, but still my parents have always supported me. Those relatives' opinion doesn't matter to me, so yeah.
So can I say that Shreya is an independent woman now, and she has done a lot of work. So how do you cope up with your lifestyle? I want to ask that. I mean, do you collab, or how do you go about it? How is your lifestyle been spended that and earned? Okay, both the ways.
So I'm not completely independent. I stay with my parents, but yeah, I handle my own expenses, like everything. And yeah, like once when my journey started, I started hearing from brands, and then first at start I used to do barter collabs. Yeah.
What
like
is that? Can you
barter collab means like brand will send you product and you just have to make videos and upload like whatever the delivery requirements are. So I used to do barter collab until certain level, and then like I started doing paid collaborations. Yeah.
So can you reveal some brands if it is possible?
So Lannistar, Set Botanica, Brian and Candy, Beauty and Co, My Fitness, and yeah, other brands. Plum Fitness, yeah.
That's nice. And
List goes on.
so are these brands majorly? These brands must be majorly focusing on cosmetics and fitness, and so are you open to other brands also?
Yeah, I'm open to all the brands, like whatever is related to my type of content. So beauty, fashion, and sometimes electronic things and watches, everything. Yeah.
Brands, get ready. तो अभी जैसे हम इंस्टाग्राम की बात कर रहे थे, रील्स की बात कर रहे थे, आपके कंटेंट की बात कर रहे थे, सोशल मीडिया की बात कर रहे थे, तो ग्रेजुअली फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते गए, ओके, एंड पहला 50K, 70K, 100K, 150K, 200K, तो वो फीलिंग कैसा था श्रेया? 200K इज अ लॉट ऑफ फॉलोअर्स.
Honestly, मैं 100 की भी इमेजिन नहीं की थी कि मेरा कभी हो सकता है. Like when I had like 10K followers, 15K, I used to like, I mean, मेरा 100K होना चाहिए. I really want to work hard on it. So मेरा ये goal था कि 100 को and 200K. It was very unexpected for me, but I was really happy and grateful.
So how did you celebrate that?
I celebrated with my friends and
Family.
family, yeah. I
So,
celebrated with
वो
them.
केक लाया with that
Cake
200K.
लाया, yeah, bouquet था and everything. We had gone out for lunch. It was a really good day. I enjoyed a lot.
So I would now like to conclude this question and answer round, and I would ask you to give a piece of advice to your fans and audience who are watching you.
So my thing is that if someone is trying to pull you down and if someone is trying to demotivate, just don't let yourself down by anything. Ignore all the hate comments and keep doing what you like, and never lose hope, because hard work pays off, and if you're really dedicated to one thing, you will succeed with that. Alright?
Okay,
Yeah.
that's wonderful. I hope you guys understood. Okay, Shreya is a good advisor. So with this we end with the first segment.
Okay.
Now we have something exciting for you. Okay, entertaining for you. So we'll have planned certain good entertaining activities. So are you ready, Shreya Srivastava?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yes.
So हमारा पहला एक्टिविटी ये है कि मैं आपको एक्सप्रेशंस बोलूंगा, ओके, और आपको स्विच करना है विदाउट डायलॉग्स. ओके
Okay.
ओके, रेडी? लुक इन द कैमरा.
मुझे without dialogue switch करना.
हाँ, मतलब मैं आपको बोलूंगा गुस्सा, फिर फनी, फिर ऐसा.
Okay.
ओके, विद अ मॉरल फेस. हाँ,
Okay.
रेडी? चलो. एंड एटीट्यूड. गुस्सैल. चिड़चिड़ी. You're just blushing.
No.
No, do the blush wala part. Blush. A hot guy passes. फिर पता चला अंधा है. React. Oh, sad. Yeah. That was fantastic. That was pretty spontaneous, huh? So, did you enjoy?
Yeah, of course I did. It was fun.
It was fun. एक और राउंड करना है इसमें.
नहीं.
So funny नहीं था.
नहीं था.
Okay. So the second segment is मैं आपको कुछ चीजें दूंगा random, ठीक है? And you have to sell.
I have to sell. Okay.
पहला object है lighter. Sell this lighter.
Strong flame.
बिक गया. ले लिया. मैं ले लेता हूँ.
Pretty design. And convenient. Perfect size. Lighter को भी promote करूँगा.
Promote नहीं, बेचना है आपको.
बेचना है. ले लो lighter. Lighter को कौन देगा?
हाँ, दो मैं ले. दो.
But yeah, this lighter looks expensive and it's good.
Okay. खरीद ले बस. Okay. Rubber band.
You can dye your hair. You can.
Wow.
You can trouble your friends like that.
हम लोग तो इससे मारते थे।
Exactly.
वैसे मारा है?
Games खेला, हाँ मारा है, games मारा है।
अभी ये बेच पाएंगे खाली पैकेट?
खाली
Easy.
पैकेट को कैसे बेचोगे?
थूकने के लिए काम आएगा।
Budget friendly wallet in just 1 rupees. Doesn't even look like a wallet.
That was too good to. मैंने खरीद ली सारी चीजें, मैंने खरीद ली, मैंने खरीद लिया। ओके प्रोडक्शन दे देना। तो मतलब ये तो हो गया कि you can't sell products, not a good saleswoman. But we have something else for you. The third activity is very common. It goes like never have I ever. ठीक है? अगर आपने किया है तो I have, नहीं किया है never.
Okay.
Okay? Are we good to go?
Yes, I am.
Yes.
Good to go.
Okay. So the first question is, never have I ever stolen someone's food because you were very hungry. You have? Huh? Second one goes like, never have I ever fallen asleep on walk. I've never. So dedicated.
Yeah, like while walking, I'm not.
Okay.
Resting time is different, right? Of course.
So resting is completely sleep only. Na?
Yeah.
तो क्या यार समझो. Okay. Third one is, never have I ever sang in public. I would like to add something. Public toilet. And in public? दोनों. मतलब आपके पास हर चीज का एक एकदम vice versa. Never have I ever accepted a drink from a stranger. Never?
No. What if they spike my drink? I have to be very careful about it. I can't accept drink from a stranger.
Smart. तो वो पेपर स्प्रे और वो सब रखते हो?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं सुना.
Okay, the last one. Used a fake ID or lied about my age.
I've lied about my age. Entry के time. But I used to look older, so yeah. When I was 17, I used to say that I'm 21.
But ऐसे influencers को भी रोकते क्या club?
ऐसा रुकते नहीं, बेटा फेक आईडी बना के गई थी अंदर. जाना था पार्टी करने.
पार्टी तो मैं करने वाली हूँ.
Of course.
So with this, हमारा इंटरव्यू वहीं खत्म होता है. And I would like to thank you for coming here, giving us your precious time, and sharing all your experiences with our audience and with me. And I hope you had a good time too.
I really had a good time. Everyone here is so humble.
Thank you. Production. And before leaving, we have something, a small token of appreciation.
Oh,
Oh, share. One for the camera.
Thank you.
Let me hold this. Have a look.
Thank you.
Can we share?
No, you can.
Okay. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
जा रहे हो? श्रेया, बोलिए ना.
Did not forget to like, subscribe, share, Shuri.